This is a trash can. Hello everyone! Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all safe and doing well. So, we just unboxed this big box that Sifia sent to me with a bunch of Decora Girlz dolls. Just unboxed the 11-inch fashion doll and the 5-inch mystery doll. And now for this video, we're going to unbox the sticker store. Yeah! So the sticker store, let's see the information that we have. Decora Girlz sticker store playset. Dive into imaginative play with this travel case playset featuring an exclusive Decora art doll, plus adorable store accessories and reusable stickers for endless creative fun. Hey, so here is the, okay, I guess this is the back and then this is the front of it. And it says exclusive doll included, stylish playset, 170 plus stickers, includes sticker shop case, exclusive Decora art doll, reusable stickers, flat stickers, and puffy stickers, and accessories. Oh, okay. So on this side, it has all the stuff you have in here. So there's a lot. Sticker shop playset includes one case, one exclusive doll, one outfit, one pair of shoes, one comb, one backpack, 4 reusable sticker sheets, 3 flat sticker sheets, 2 puffy sticker sheets, 1 desk, 1 cash register, 1 shopping bag, 1 trash can, 1 doll stand. Okay, so you get a lot in this box, and the box itself, the material is a washable vinyl. So I'm assuming that you can stick stickers on it and like take off the stickers and stick it again. I'm gonna test that theory out. But yes, it has a handy carrying strap, snap button closure right on top, sticker store accessory style and colorful decorations, vibrant reusable. Oh, okay. See, okay, vibrant reusable stickers. So you can take off the stickers and put them all in like different spots. Nice. Oh my gosh, collectible playset series. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. So, I wanna nicely slide off this plastic part. You can see the art of Decora art version. Oh! Okay, so it looks like she's in her little chamber. Everything's wrapped up. Let me show you the inside of the thing first. That's what that looks like. And you can have it like that, so that you can use it as a little store, but let's open her up first. So release her from the, oh, hold on, there's tape on it. Okay. Oh, it's a tiny Decora. Okay. Oh, she's so cute in the tiny version. Oh man. Hehehe. So she's got her hair braided in this one, and same deal, it's the same nylon hair that is fully rooted. And let me see, does she have the same makeup on? Yeah, it looks like it's the same makeup with the 11-inch and this one, but ooh, so it's always so nice to touch the hair. So yeah, this is the rainbow cash register. And what is this? Okay, so this looks like a chair. Is this a bucket or a chair? I'm not sure. Is this a bucket or a chair? And then also a little bag. Oh, okay. So these are also like little surprise things, kind of like with the 5-inch mystery. They're also wrapped up. And I learned in the last one that you don't have to cut it with scissors. There's already perforation on it. So you just tear it off nice and easy. And okay. Get a comb. And I didn't talk about this in the previous video, but here is the decoration. It says Decora Girlz on each of the bags. Okay, let's tear this open. Backpack! Oh, she's got like 2 bags. And nope. Oh, look at at that. One side, one arm dress. Oh, that's very cute. And then these are her shoes with the mismatched socks. Wow, there's so many stickers in this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me show you the stand. It's the same stand as the 5-inch mystery dolls. So same deal, like so. So this is her stand. And then these are the stickers. These are flat stickers, and then the puffy ones for you. And then the puffy ones that, you know, you can also use, of course, but it is also meant to stick on her. And then you get a bunch more stickers too. There's so many stickers that you get in this playset. Oh, okay, I'm just now seeing this. Okay. These are pretty big stickers. Oh my gosh. Gosh, where do I start? Okay. So this looks like it's meant for the cash register. And then I like how this one has like the little, if you watch VTubers, it's like their Oshi marks. But basically what it is just like their little symbols to symbolize each of the Decora girls. So obviously that's Decora, and then Luna. The bee is Buzzy. I think the flower is Heather. Oh yeah, and then Blossom is the strawberry one. Celestia, London, a bunch of these like flower shapes and heart shapes. When I saw this, look at how big this band-aid is. Like, even on my face, that's huge. But you get all of these, and this is like a, I guess it's like a paint, either a painting thing that you can put stickers on or a mirror. And then this sticker sheet, this is pretty huge actually. So it looks like you can put these flowers like on the shop. And oh man, this is just like, I'm like out of breath because there's so many stickers in this one. So first we will put the dress. Or actually, before I get into that, let's talk about the articulation. So arms can move, legs can move, as well as head. I mean, she's essentially the same as the mystery dolls. It's just that she has a bunch more stuff instead of just, I mean, even with the mystery dolls, the 5-inch ones, you get a lot already, but this one, it's like, if you want to be extra and have a whole store for her to play around in, and if you like for sure want Decora and her special like edition, then I recommend getting the sticker store playset because you get a lot with this. I think it'd be really cute with like taking pictures and videos of her in her little shop. Same deal, the dress is like a rubber kind of material and it has that slit on the back. So this is the dress on, and then let's put the shoes. So how you can tell which is the left or right, you look at like the bottom. Okay, so there she is, fully clothed. And then I can also put her on the stand. You just attach the clippy part to the neck, and then there she is. Oh, she's so cute. And then she also comes with 2 bags. So a backpack as well as like a little like shopping bag. So here she is in her little shop. I already set her up right there. Oh my gosh, I just realized, I think I called this a chair but this is the cash register. So does that mean this is a chair? Or is this to put stuff in? Well, I guess you can play around with it however you feel like, but I just noticed that the comb says Decora Girlz on it. It's a cute detail. And then actually, let's also put the cash register. Oh, there's so many. Where'd the cash register one go? Okay. I did not realize I was sitting on the cash register sticker, so. All right, let's go ahead and put it on the cash register. I wonder why it says $15.25 exactly. But let's stick that on there. And then this part, we stick here. There we go. Do her little calculations. This one, the big band-aid. Whoa. Wait, what? What is this? Oh! Okay, I see now. So these ones, it's not like sticky for you to stick on yourself, though I'm sure if you put like eyelash glue or something on it, you can stick it on yourself. But it's like a plastic, so it sticks on the vinyl. I guess this is what it means by like the reusable, is you can stick these on here because of the material, and it stays, and it's reusable because you can just take it right off. So yeah, these ones, different, but they're the reusable kinds. And then these ones, I'm assuming to put on the doll, but you can also put it on the store too. And these are big ones for you. So yeah, there's lots of stickers to play around with. Hello, can I purchase one of these right here, please? Okay, beep, 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 beep. Okay, so that was the Decora Girlz sticker store that comes with the exclusive 5-inch Decora Girlz Decora in an art outfit doll that you can only get with this playset. So you can't get it in like one of the mystery ones. It's only exclusive to the playset. The shop itself is a vinyl case with cute store stickers, counter, cash register. This is a trash can. Okay, so we figured it out. It's not, I mean, you know, you can use it however you want to use it. If you want to make it a chair, a hat, or you know, whatever you want to do, but it's meant to be a trash can is what it is. So yeah, counter, cash register, shopping bag, trash can, and lots of stickers, even some reusable ones. Okay, gotcha. So the ones that aren't sticky on the back, they are meant to be the reusable ones, and then, you know, the lots of other stickers too. But the price for the whole play set will be starting $19.97 up to $24.99. So yeah, the first video I made was unboxing 11-inch fashion doll, and then the 5-inch mystery doll, and I'll have them, both those videos, linked below. But for the full box, I actually just realized that I never really looked through the accessories. So let's do that before we end the video. These are just extras that they included inside the Decora accessories galore, but I just wanted to show it to y'all real quick. So it comes with a set of hair clips, and this, I love this. It's so cute. I wonder if there's a way to buy these somehow, because these are band-aids that you can put on your face, or, you know, I wonder, are these like actual band-aids that you can use for medical reasons? And then more stickers. So, oh, these stickers are so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love the stickers so much. And then with bracelets. Oh, ta-da! All right. Oh my goodness. I think we looked through everything. It says, grab your camera, strike a pose, let the world know that the Decora revolution has arrived. Let's sticker style and celebrate together with Decora Girlz, because life's too short to be anything but fabulous. Ah! Oh man, these are all so cute. Thank you so much again, Sifia, for sending all of these out to me to check them out and share with everyone. Be ready for them. It's going to be very, very soon. I can't believe how much time has flown by so far that I've already got the dolls right here with me. And soon enough, it's gonna be March. Ah! Oh my gosh! What a bit, what? Like this timeline that we're on, this is like so surreal. But these are my babies. I hope that you enjoyed these unboxing videos. Like I said, I'll have the other two linked down below. But alrighty, I hope that y'all have a great week. Please take care, and Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.